how to route the light wires neatly and safely. When installing light wires, keep them naturally straight. Do not pull too tight. Follow the manual carefully. Do not add or skip any steps. Demo 1, Vertical Wire Guide. Demo 2, Horizontal Wire Guide. Demo 3, Long Guide Clip. Gently coil any extra wire and keep it close to the structure. Light not working? Don't worry, check these 3 points first. Case 1. Batteries are drained. Case 2. Multiple power units, one not switched on. Case 3. Parts not fully pressed together. Case 4. Floor switch installed incorrectly. Case 5. Incorrect polarity.